Okay, tonight I'm going to show you how to make a Greek salad to go with the lasagna we just made. And you haven't seen the lasagna recipe? It's on my channel and it says lasagna.
We're drinking white wine then. Now the Greek salad, we're drinking the red wine.
I feel like Floyd on food. Anyway, it's really simple. Only a few ingredients. Feta cheese, block of feta. You don't have to use a whole block, but it doesn't last real long, so kids love it. We love it. Just chop it into cubes, like so. Look at that. Cut it in half.
And then he likes to take the...
And then cut it and quarter again. Your seeds are a bit acidic, so I don't like them.
I like the seeds, but he doesn't.
Slice it like so. Into the tray. Got some grape tomatoes.
Oh, cherry tomatoes. They were
These are grape tomatoes.
And they are so sweet.
I don't know if you need to cut them.
No, I would throw them in whole.
Yeah, unless you've got long ones. Just throw them in whole. Now we have our black olives. We've bought them already pitted. Chop up some olives. Just going to chop them in half.
Why? We have teeth?
I know we have teeth, but it's all about texture. Trying to get the right size.
Tomatoes. And our family actually does not like sauce on their salad, any sort of...
You can add a drizzle of olive oil
if you like.
or balsamic vinegar.
But our family
Honestly,
just likes it like that.
There we go, guys.
That's it.
Goes
Simple.
well with
Goes
red
well
wine.
Or white wine.
Should we have a drink with white wine?